Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to complete lesson number 2 of week 125. If you need help, please sign up for office hours, email me, or send me a Google Hangout. Here's the lesson agenda. You'll be completing an Edpuzzle video, learning a little bit more about biotic and abiotic factors, and then starting a claim evidence reasoning practice. For step number 4, this is optional. This is more claim evidence reasoning practice, and I'll explain a little bit more once I get to step 4. Here's our weekly objective and the key points from the last lesson. For the Edpuzzle, click on the image and open the link, or you can also access the Edpuzzle by clicking on the image and opening the link. Remember that you need to log in to your Edpuzzle account in order to access the video and record your responses. For step number 2, you will answer these questions after watching the video. List biotic and abiotic factors. Write 2 ways that you saw in the video that biotic factors interact with each other. And then for number 3, list 3 ways that biotic factors interact with abiotic factors in the video. For step number 3, you will go over claim evidence and reasoning. So what you're going to do is open this link and open a Google form. You have a question here. You need to select the best claim that answers this question. You will also be listing the best evidence and best reasoning for that specific question. Lastly, answer these 3 reflection questions after submitting the form. And then for step 4, if you feel like you could or you need a extra practice or a challenge, you can use a different claim and evidence reasoning and then write your own practice CER by following these specific instructions. Remember to make sure that you have completed all 3 steps, and step number 4 if you're completing the optional section, and then highlight how long this lesson took you. Don't forget to click Turn In on Google Classroom.